Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how to speed up your videos using CapCut on PC. Let's jump right into it. Alright. First, open CapCut on your PC. As you can see, I have a video here. And it's not too long. But we want to make it even shorter. To do that, first, select the video. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. There you will see multiple tabs. In the tabs, simply head over to the speed option. When you click on it, you will see in slider. You can see the slider is already set in the 1x speed. Now, if you move the slider to the right, your video will play faster. And if you move it to the left, it'll slow down. Simple, right? When you scroll to the left, you can see a new option will appear. That is smooth slow-mo. If you're looking to speed things up, just slide that bar to the right. The fastest it can go is 100x speed, but be cautious not to speed it up too much. You might miss some details, and the video becomes hard to follow. Also, keep an eye on the duration indicator. If you want to extend the duration, move the slider to the left. If you want a shorter duration, like 2 seconds, slide it to the right, and CapCut will adjust the duration automatically. Now, it's time to check our video. You can see, it's looking like a wow. And that's it. A quick and easy way to speed up your videos in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.